from customer. So I have this customer table. So in this customer table, what I will do, I will change. I want to update this table by, like, for example, I want to update this Udaipur by the Jaipur. So this is the address. So how I will update. So today keyword is update. How we update the data previously in previously defined table. So select star form. So firstly I was okay. So update name of the table. Name of the table what is customer, and then set what we want to set. Set address. Address what we want to set address as a Jaipur. Okay, Jaipur. If you will not give the condition, in that case it will give the Jaipur all on all the field instead of in the first field. So if you want to change only on first field and any field, so you have to give one particular condition in the where clause. So where address is equal to Udaipur. Okay, so in that case it will change. So one row updated, so now you can see it will change Jaipur. So as like you can change more things, like you can change date, you can change salary, you can change name, anything you want to change. So simplest formula is update table name, okay, then set column name, then you want to set any data or any values, and in the condition you want to give the condition is important, because if you will not give any condition, so in that case it will update all data in the table. For example, if I didn't give the address as Udaipur, so it will update all address as a Jaipur. So that is the important factor. Okay, for the updation. So today, this is the for updation things. You can update multiple record also, like contact number and date number for giving the condition. Okay, so you can say set as like. And next is delete. If we want to delete any data, so delete you can generally we are reading in the English also that according the English that what is the meaning of delete? Delete means we are deleting anything. Also delete keyword is also in your keyboard in or keyboard laptop keyboard. So you can say delete whenever we want to delete anything. So we just delete the data. So delete is like we are deleting the data from the table. So same thing. If you delete, for example, right now I want to delete. So if you delete, this is the syntax. Delete from what is the table? Customer table. So I will not delete from here. I will take another. So employees. Okay, employee table I will take, because employee table there is a lot of data, so I can just delete one table. So, for example, I just see, firstly, I see the select a star from employees. Okay. So, I'll see that how many data present here. So, you can see there is a 12 data present. So, I want to delete last data 12 data. So, you can see if I delete employees without giving any condition in where clause, so it will delete all the data. Okay. If delete means all data present inside the table, there is a three things that you have to understand. First, what is the difference? Difference between delete, truncate, and drop. What is the difference in thrice? So you also search on this. Delete means deleting the data from the table. Truncate means all the row. Okay. Delete only delete the data. Okay. Inside the table. Truncate is erase all the rows present inside it, and so you have to fetch these three columns from the table and apply inside it. So if I want to delete the data from the employee table, so in where clause I have to give the condition where. id is equal to 12. So this row I want to delete. So I will delete because id is so invalid. Okay. So just to give another thing that in query you can simply that two things is present, yes, script output or query or result. So in query result you will see there is a table output present, and for the script output there is your recording without the table that you are fetching. So you can delete where not sorry employee id, I have to give employee id. Okay, so not simple id, employee id. So it will delete one data. Okay, after that if you have lot of the output here, so you can erase also, erase it. So I deleted. Now want to see the employee table. So you can see there is 12 employee ID table, 12 employee ID data row deleted. So this is the use of delete. But always remember, if you will not use the conditions, so you will lose all data from the table. So always remember, use the condition. Another concept, select top, means I want to like there is a lot of keyword also, that some keywords are working in the SQL developers, some keywords are not working. So according that I will give you example. So I also don't know like which keyword is working in not. I will just explain to you so that you can work at your end. So select star from employees. I will check it will work or not. Limit 3 means top 3 element. I only need top 3 element. So I think it will not work here because it's error. So limit, you can remember this command limit. Some MySQL server they will take it. Second, I will use, so if it will work or not, I will just see. Control plus chat means which we remove. For example, I removed it. Accidentally, I removed it. But I again want that thing. This is very simplest query that I removed, or any accidentally that happened with me. Anyhow one keyword pressed during the select operation and deleted data. So in that case, you can just press Control plus chat. You can again press same things. So don't hesitate about, don't fear about it. Select second keyword. I'm showing star from employees where fetch first three rows only. See, it will work on it. So it will work. So this command first three rows only. So this command, this SQL developer taking. For example, star from customer fetch first two rows only. So you can see it will get first row. So always remember, SQL developer taking first this query is not limit. Okay, so always remember whenever you are practicing on SQL developer. So hope you got the point. Okay, so this is very important concept also. When multiple queries you can also select, like for example select star from employees. Okay, so for example where condition you want to give, where in employee table, if you see in employee table we have address is equal to Jaipur, but if we want to only fetch two top row, first two rows only. So you can see what will be the output for address. Address, for example, I will say in employee there is no address present. So I think in the customer table it is present. Customer. So now you can fetch this. So you can see this is the chapter and first two rows only I am fetching here. Next command is your Select top and order by. Order by, I already told you what is the order means in a descending and an ascending order. Okay, so according that you have to fetch order by. For example, if I give select star from customer order by name is a descending order, fetch top of us, first two rows rows only. Okay, you only fetch this. So this is it is an ascending order. Okay, sorry, descending order. I already told you that by default data fetching in the SQL is a ascending order. So if you want to take the data in descending order, so you have to mention your order by name in descending order. Clear? Now, second thing, aggregate functions. We are on the aggregate function. So there is a lot of aggregate function we have. So I just mentioned here aggregate function. Function is your many aggregate function like firstly count and max min. I mention here. You can also mention as item max min average. So I'm applying and I'm using the aggregate function so you can understand and if a doubt so firstly I'm applying the aggregate function with the count variable. So like count variable is your for example select count star. You can see as an alias also result from customer you can see customer table. So how many data present inside the customer table so you can see 5 data. Again for the max for example select max salary as a result from customer so you can see there is a maximum salary this is the maximum salary here or you can see select min salary as a result from customer so you will see the minimum salary here is it if you want to select average of the salary average of the salary as a result from customer so you will see average salary of the salary so there is a lot of the things that you have to remember first example if you want to fetch second maximum salary so second maximum salary firstly you will see select salary from customer order by salary order by salary in descending order. So this is very simplest example and you will see all the salary in according that order by salary and the name. name. So you can see according the